This is the elevator at the Thornton Hall bowling alley in Sharon, Pennsylvania. This is an old Dover elevator, but the hall station has been replaced with an Adam SurvivorPlus. That doesn't do anything. And it's accessed in use light. Very 70s cabin. I got these weird, like, vandal-resistant type C.J. Anderson on the inside. They're kind of painful to press. Got the two. Here we go. This is my solo tape. No, wait. Here, two. Epic Dover motor. There's PA elevators, Patrick Ned's Elevated Productions, and Joe. Go back down to one. I also got a take with them, but it's a really bad, cramped take. Basic 70s cab. Dude Club 07 elevators also filmed this TJ. They got a very dim light, only one light. Here, back at one. I'm not sure why they replaced that. Wasn't that's gonna be it.